Even our hardy cool season annuals that provide color in the landscape took a little hit from that freeze that we got during the Christmas week. We have here columbine and this dianthus that looks kind of, hit by the freeze. But what we can do to encourage these to come back and continue to bloom now that we're back in the 70s again is to go ahead and do some trimming on these plants. Now, it's always a great idea with your annuals to deadhead, and what that means is to remove spent flower heads, as you can see here with these violas. So these flowers have already bloomed and they're done, and if you want to encourage new blooms, what we can do is we can actually pinch these out. We call that deadheading. Now you can also use a pair of scissors or a pair of hand pruners. Go in, clean this area up, clear those out. Now for those hardy cool season annuals that did suffer some freeze damage, you can go ahead and remove those as well. And what's going to happen is as these days warm up, these are going to continue to produce more flowers. Now, we will have the threat of another freeze possibly until the mid-March here in South Louisiana, all the way up to April 1st in the northern part of the state. But not to worry with these. In fact, you can put a slow release fertilizer if you want to encourage more blooms, but you can get out there, clean up some of these like this dianthus, remove that dead material. It'll grow back from the roots, and go ahead and deadhead those annuals that are losing their blooms to encourage more blooms and more color. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.